What deficiency causes dark circles? Allergies, genetics, lack of sleep, dehydration. Iron deficiency is a well-known cause of dark circles under the eyes. Iron is essential for the formation of hemoglobin, a protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen to tissues. When there is insufficient iron, the oxygen supply to the delicate skin under the eyes can become compromised. Which vitamin is best for dark circles? Vitamin K is another nutrient that is known for its ability to repair damaged skin and heal skin's injuries. Eating vitamin K on a daily basis will particularly help with the disappearance of your dark circles. Turnip greens, cauliflower, pomegranate, and tomatoes are some rich sources of vitamin